1991 Audi Quattro 20V makes £72,050 at Classic Car AuctionA. 1991 Audi Quattro Turbo 20V with the same owner for the last 13 years has fetched a very strong £72,050 at Classic Car Auction's September sale. Modern classic cars are starting to rise very strongly in value, and we've recently seen a Sierra Cosworth RS 500 fetch an incredible £122,400 at auction, which makes this Audi Quattro look something of a bargain. Owned by the same person for the last 13 years, this 1991 Audi Quattro 20VRR has covered just 32,000 miles from new, is an original RHD UK car, and has just sold for an impressive £72,050, double its lower pre-sale estimate. Launched in 1980, the Audi Quattro was the start of Audi's Quattro 4WD offerings, bringing a car designed for rallying to the road and heralding a new direction for Audi. The original Quattro came with a 197 bhp 5-cylinder 2.1-liter 10V turbo engine and Quattro 4WD, but by the time this Quattro was built, in the last year of production, that has become a 20V 2.2-liter turbo with 217 bhp. And although £72K may seem a lot for a 26-year-old Audi, the market for modern classics is currently strong, but just like the RS 500, it does appear a big jump from values for the Quattro prior to this. Perhaps there's a bit of auction fever at play, as other values on the night at the Classic Car Auction seemed surprising, including a 1998 Porsche 944 which went for £35K, a 1988 911 Carrera Super Sport for £99K, and even a TR6 for over £30K. Still, as long as the new owners love what they got, does it matter?